This video is part of a series of videos on implicit front-end Outlook integration with Salesforce and Sugar CRM. This video is intended for CRM administrators, and the topic is how to set up custom modules and custom fields. So let's start with custom modules. If you've created a custom module on the CRM side, you'll be able to see it here under Sync Configuration. Scroll down the list and select the custom module. Enable it, which means it's going to be synced from Sugar to Outlook and Outlook to Sugar. And then click Custom Fields. You're going to see a list of fields. These are the fields that you've defined for that custom module on the CRM side. And this is just an example that I created for facilities work orders. This allows me to design the layout. So let's start with the work order number on top, and then maybe created by, requested by, date and time. Here I'm going to put the building name and address, the floor and room, and then here I'm going to leave a space, select the facilities category, the work description, any special instructions, and then finally the user and the team. That should do it. Now let's define the columns. The columns are the columns that show up in the browse window and allow me to sort the facilities work order. I'm going to select the work order number, the date, requested by, and work description. That should do it. So save it, click OK, and let's see what it looks like. So I go under the ribbon, and I see that since I've enabled this module, I'm going to see it here. Open it. Of course, I have nothing because I haven't synchronized yet. So let's create a new one. You can see that the form is exactly as I've defined the layout. So for example, work order number created by Ronnie, requested by John, today's date, that's fine, building A, and this is room number. I'm going to say this is an electrical problem, and the work we need to replace the outlet, and that's it. So save it. Shows up here, and it's going to get synced upon the next synchronization cycle. Now let's move on to custom fields. Going back to the sync configuration, I've created an example of custom fields under contacts. And the process is exactly the same. In this sample, I've created an application for drivers, and the information is related to their employment. So I'm going to select date of hire, date of termination, social security number, the, say, driver license, and the state, and then any driving records. And here I'm going to select the employment type and then any tests that they've done. So physical test, drug test, and driving test. That's it. Save it. And once again, let's see what it looks like. So this is under the contact form. So let's launch a sample contact form. And you can see that custom fields is enabled. Click it, and there you go. Here's the form that I just created. So now that you've defined the custom modules and fields, go back to Options and Sync Configuration, and then click Resync All. This will essentially restart the synchronization and synchronize the custom modules, the custom fields for any of the other modules that you have, and just refresh all the data in Outlook. And then lastly, once you've done that and you're satisfied, click Export. And this will allow you to export all the customization that you've created into a customization file that you can just simply email to all the other CRM users. And then all they have to do is just click import and select the file that you sent. And what this is going to do is all the configuration that you've selected will be applied to their environment. So they're not going to need to do anything beyond that. So this was the video about how to create custom modules and custom fields. For any further information, we invite you to visit our website at outlookintegration.com. Thank you.